Independent cleaning contractor agreements are essential legal documents that protect both parties when hiring professional cleaning services. Without a proper agreement in place, you risk financial penalties, legal disputes, and potential liability issues. An independent cleaning contractor is a self-employed individual or business that provides cleaning services without being classified as an employee. These contractors maintain control over how they complete their work, use their own equipment, and are responsible for their own taxes and insurance. A comprehensive agreement serves as the foundation of this business relationship. Unlike employment contracts, independent contractor agreements must clearly establish why the worker is not an employee for tax and legal purposes. The document should identify the hiring party, the contractor providing services, the specific cleaning task to be performed, compensation details, and an effective start date. The agreement must also address termination procedures, including whether the relationship can be terminated at will and how much notice is required. It should clarify that the contractor is not entitled to employee benefits like vacation pay, health coverage, or unemployment benefits. When structuring your agreement, several key legal elements must be included. These cover assignment rights, binding effect, expense responsibilities, governing law, indemnification, insurance requirements, representations, severability, and warranties. The contractor must also confirm they possess all necessary permits, licenses, and registrations required for the cleaning services. The distinction between contractors and employees is crucial for legal compliance. Independent contractors are typically hired for specific short-term projects where they have autonomy over how the work is completed. They use their own equipment, set their own schedules, and are evaluated based on results rather than process. Contractors are responsible for their own insurance, taxes, and business expenses. Essential clauses for cleaning contractor agreements include a detailed scope of work that specifies whether services involve residential, commercial, post-construction, or routine maintenance cleaning. The agreement should itemize specific rooms, tasks like dusting or vacuuming, and service frequency. Your agreement must clearly state who provides cleaning supplies and equipment. Typically, independent contractors use their own tools, but this should be explicitly documented. Payment terms should outline the rate structure, payment frequency, and accepted payment methods. Schedule and access details are important to include, such as expected work hours and property access protocols. A confidentiality clause protects sensitive client information, while insurance and bonding requirements safeguard against property damage or theft. The agreement should also confirm that the contractor holds all required licenses and permits, and establish procedures for resolving potential disputes. The IRS uses three main criteria to determine proper worker classification: behavioral control, financial control, and relationship type. Misclassifying an employee as an independent contractor can result in serious consequences, including back taxes, penalties, and liability for unpaid benefits. State-specific labor laws may impose additional requirements beyond federal standards. For example, California uses the stricter ABC test under Assembly Bill 5, which requires contractors to be free from control of the hiring entity, perform work outside the usual course of the hiring entity's business, and be engaged in an independently established trade. Hiring independent cleaning contractors offers several advantages, including reduced overhead costs since employers don't pay Social Security, Medicare, unemployment tax, or provide benefits. Contractors often bring specialized expertise and equipment for specific cleaning tasks and can be hired on an as-needed basis, providing scalability for businesses with fluctuating demands. Properly structured agreements can also reduce employer liability. However, there are limitations to consider. You have less control over how contractors perform their work. They may serve multiple clients, potentially affecting their availability for urgent needs. There are legal risks if contractors are misclassified or lack proper insurance. And if a contractor fails to meet standards, your business reputation could suffer. Independent cleaning contractor agreements are vital legal tools that define expectations, protect both parties, and ensure compliance with tax and labor laws. A well-crafted agreement clearly establishes the contractor relationship, outlines specific services and payment terms, addresses liability concerns, and helps avoid costly misclassification issues. Taking time to develop a comprehensive agreement is an investment that can prevent significant legal and financial problems down the road.